Welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to create your first project in PyCharm and write a code. So here is the project location, and this is the interpreter. Now we are going to create our first Python file. So here from new we select Python file and we will give a name like hello world. So now we declare a function. The name of the function is hello world, and inside this function we are going to print hello world. So print hello world. Now we are going to call this function. So to call this function we just simply write this hello world. Now if we can run the code, then we can see the output. So from run we run this function in hello world. If you can see that this function, when you run the function, it prints hello world. So that's it.